Hey guys, I am here with Alina from TonerBum. I absolutely love this concept. I was waiting for you yesterday and I had to make sure I came back just to specifically get an interview with you. So tell us about TonerBum. Tell us everything.
Well, I spent a lot of time sitting at my desk and in my car, and I noticed my butt was like getting flat, and I'm like, this
oh,
is
we
not
cannot
true.
have that. We
No.
cannot have that.
So I researched like different workouts you could do, and specifically like the donkey kick.
Yes.
It's like the #1 workout to really
Lift it up, yes.
And I'm like, I need this. But
Yes.
the problem is that resistance bands don't give you that full range of motion. So I tried handheld dumbbells.
Yes.
But the problem with handheld dumbbells is they're not made for your legs.
Exactly.
So they're falling off. I'm like, this is a mess. I'm like, we need something that fits like around.
Yes.
And it's like designed for the back of the leg.
Yes.
It's there. It can stay in place.
That
And I
is
can do the donkey
amazing.
kick, and I don't have to worry about it falling off.
Exactly.
And I could also use it as a kettlebell.
Yes.
So it literally is a kettlebell and a booty toner in one.
That is like the most amazing thing ever put together. I mean, a kettlebell that can also work the butt, which we all need. We all have to have that lift, as Alina said. So can you just show us exactly how it works?
Yes.
Okay, so you cannot do this with a traditional kettlebell because obviously you don't have the ability for the way that the kettlebell is made, but with the TonerBum, you can use it for everything. As you can see, she can do leg lifts, she can do kettlebell workouts. Everything is perfect. It's all in one. This is why I had to come back, you guys. You cannot do that with a traditional kettlebell. I mean, it is perfect. And how much weight is this that you're doing here? Okay, perfect. Now, could someone purchase just a 5-pounder so that they can start and work their way up? Okay. And now another thing that I also loved about this product is that you don't have to worry about the kettlebell banging on your arm, and you don't have to worry about wearing a sleeve. That's what I usually have to do when I'm doing kettlebell work. That is amazing. I love it.
Yeah, it doesn't put any pressure on your wrist.
And that's what we need. This literally is my favorite thing from the whole convention.
You can buy it on TonerBum.com.
Okay.
And we're selling now. There's a $10 coupon, so take advantage of it.
Yes, and how long will that coupon?
We got about another month before we run out of inventory.
Okay, so you have plenty of time because this interview will be up super fast because I want you guys to run to that website, get yourself a TonerBum. I'm telling you, you will absolutely love it. And I think you wanted to show me a workout, right? You wanted me to do something. I'm excited, you guys.
Hooking it to your leg, nice and slow. Lift 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Woo.
Okay. All right, now we're gonna go into those kicks.
Okay. Oh my, you guys, I'm telling you, this is amazing. You can go straight leg too. Oh, and now booty work is my absolute favorite. So this is perfect. It does hurt so good. It hurts so good, you guys. Oh, it's like I'm a little mermaid getting my workout in. Okay. This is awesome, you guys. I love this product. Oh, I'm sweating. This is the best product ever. Can you tell us when you started this? When did you create this?
Invented it like 15 years ago.
Wow,
And I launched it last year.
Well, congratulations.
And check this out.
Yes, I mean, you can do everything with this. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes, this is awesome. What a workout. And I see you also have workouts prepared as well.
Oh, yeah.
Do those come along with when someone orders? Okay, awesome.
This is just some of the workouts.
Wow.
This is all using one, but we have many more workouts.
That is really cool. Awesome. So, okay, so they can come to your website. Is there anywhere else that you're out there? Are you on Amazon? Are you
on Amazon?
Awesome. So you can also find TonerBum on Amazon as well. And it's patented. Congratulations on that. Well, I want to thank you so much, Alina, for letting me come into your space and get an interview. Like I said, I had to come back here. I wanted to make sure I got to interview you because I think this is an absolutely brilliant product. So, yes, Alina once again, and we are closing out. Thank you guys.